Welcome. This video demonstrates features common to all our K-ware study card software. Unique features that are specific to a particular software program are demonstrated in separate videos. For this illustration, we are using the SAT vocabulary program to show features common to all our software. Let's get acquainted with the initial three forms you will see when you start the program. They are the menu bar, the flashcard, also known as a study card, and the directory. Let's first look at the directory. The directory allows you to navigate quickly and efficiently to a group of cards or a particular card. The right side of the directory is the session panel, where you choose what session you want. The left side is the card panel, which displays the cards in that session. 15 cards make a session. All K-ware software uses our proprietary card track system, which allows the user to create their own card list to study. Cards unselected, those that you do not wish to study, are ignored. This will be demonstrated shortly, but let's briefly look at some of the other options available on the menu bar. From left to right you have the session number, indicating what session is displayed, the session next and back buttons for moving one session forward or back at a time, two buttons to select how you want to flip the cards, show side A, then side B, or first show side B, then A. These buttons allow you to only view the cards you have selected. You may rotate just between cards in a session of 15 cards, between cards selected in a list, or all the cards you have selected in the program. Directory on-off, session list on-off. This form provides an easy way to see up to 50 sessions at a time and their flags. Just click on a session and you're there. Card on-off, the match game on-off, the crossword puzzle on-off. Both the match game and the crossword puzzle are features which are discussed in detail in the special feature videos. Full screen on-off. All cards can be displayed on the full screen. Hide on-off. This allows the option to hide the card display in the directory for quizzing. Back color options, font color black and white, card back color options, notepad or Windows option. The notepad option gives you the ability to write a special note on each card. All notes are saved. And of course, the Save, Help, and Exit buttons. Now let's look at how to choose the session, pick a specific card, and create your own card list. Choose which session you want to study by clicking any of the green session buttons in the session panel of the directory. Clicking on the list buttons allows you to jump several sessions up or down in the session column. You may also use the scroll bar to move up or down the session column. To move one session forward or back, use the session forward and back buttons, or use your keyboard up and down arrows. The card panel on the left side of the directory shows all 15 cards that are in that session and what card is selected. Since this program is a vocabulary software program, side A of the flashcard is the word and side B is the definition. What is now being shown is side A of each card. Advance between cards by clicking the Next button in either the directory or study card. This flips the card to show the second side. Move between cards without showing the other side by using the card forward and back buttons. Or simply click directly on any of the card buttons to go to that card in the session. Right now I'm advancing between cards in the session, but what if you want to go to certain cards and skip cards you know? The K-ware card track system allows this option, to create and save your own list of cards. In the card panel, click on any of the gray buttons to select the cards you wish to study. As demonstrated, you can select or deselect any of the cards. Click on the next button to flip the card and show the other side. You will advance only to the cards you have selected. Clicking the card forward button will move you to the next selected card without flipping the card. To return to studying every card, just click on the flashcard button. The list you create is saved by the software program. Now you may wish to mark a particular card with a red, yellow, or green flag to designate degree of difficulty or any meaning you assign to the flags. To do this, click the flag buttons on the card. The flag appears next to the card button in the card panel. You can also put a flag on a particular session. This is done by clicking the session flag in the session panel. The flag is displayed next to your current session button. By clicking on the date column, a date note can be created for a session. It may represent a deadline or a date accomplished. The status buttons allow you to track an overall status percentage benchmark. A time drill is possible by clicking the auto flash button on the card. The speed at which cards change can be adjusted. This has been an overview on some of the general features of K-ware study cards. To learn more and see specific features that are unique to certain software, please view our specialty feature videos.